Hello, and welcome to another episode of Chasing Mysteries Gardens. I'm Rebecca, and today we are going to do a quick update on our winter sowing project. So last night it snowed, and there is a layer of nice, beautiful white all over the ground. And I just want to show you what our containers look like in the snow. So join me as we continue this winter sowing adventure. So we're headed up onto the deck. You can see there's a few inches of snow. Woo! I do not have boots on. All right, here we go. So it is in the 20s, I would say. And it snowed. Everything is covered in snow. Some ice. You can see the backs of the containers. Boop. Oh. Everything looking good. I did put this container in front of all of the smaller bottles because they were blowing over in the wind. So that's why it looks funny there. You can see. So this is good. Snow can get down into there and kind of keep the soil moist. We have our raspberries over there. They look so sad in the wintertime. And then I put this chair up here earlier and I forgot to take it down. And then back there is our blueberries. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a giant icicle underneath the chair. So now that we're inside where it's a little bit warm, I just wanted to share with you, I was out and about today and I found myself at the Dollar Tree. I don't know why. I didn't need anything, but it was just calling to me, so I went in and I found so many great spring things. So this year, this is a little introduction, I'm going to do a new challenge called, it's hashtag patiotoplate, and it is by Becky from Acre Homestead. And I purchased planters for that. So I got these two elongated ones. They don't say how big or how many quarts they are. They're not huge. So I got two of those. I got two of these terracotta colored pots that have drainage in here, and I often will pour water through there and water the plants from the bottom up. And then I bought 4 of these really nice square pots. And again, this is about 9 by 9 inches by 6 3/4 inches. So again, they're not huge. They'll be good for a couple of herbs or maybe one pepper plant. So I got 4 of those. And then I found these stackable kind. And I have always wanted the garden tower, grow towers, I think they're called. And you just stack 2 on top of each other, and then you have 6 holes to plant. And I'm actually gonna just put this on a table, so it'll be kind of raised up. I didn't want to go any higher than this because the next layer was blocking this layer, and I was afraid that there wouldn't be much room for it to grow. So I just bought 2 for now, so we'll see how that goes. And then to mark everything, I found these great they're hard plastic. They're much nicer than the ones I bought before. So I think they'll hold up better in the elements. So I got 2 packs of those. And then I'm always a little leery of purchasing bulbs from the Dollar Tree. I don't know if these are gonna come up. This package looks okay. You have to be really careful because sometimes some are moldy or they're just completely dried out. But this is freesia. So there's 3 bulbs, and it says plant now for summer blooms. So I gotta wait until the ground thaws a little bit before I plant them. These are grown in Holland. And then I also found, I love these flowers. And I, for the longest time, thought they were zinnias. But they're not. They're oh my gosh, I can't even say it. Ranunculus. Correct me if I'm wrong. So they're these little roots. You plant those in the ground. I just love, they look like paper to me. I don't know if you can see that. I just think they're so beautiful. Again, plant now for summer blooms. So we'll see how that goes. And that's all I found for now at the Dollar Tree, but I cannot believe how awesome these containers are. Now, these containers, I'm going to have to put holes in the bottoms because there are no holes. But I don't know if you can tell. There's 3 kind of almost pre-drilled. They're not drilled, but the plastic's lighter, so I'm assuming it'll punch out really easy with a screwdriver or something like that. So once we get to planting, we will bring these out and I will show you what I fill them with. So while I was in line at the Dollar Tree, a woman noted that I was buying all kinds of planters, and she said to me, "Someone's very hopeful, aren't they?" And you know what? I am hopeful. It made me smile. I think she maybe meant it sarcastically because of the snowstorm we just had, but I was excited. I am excited about planting, and I can't wait until all this snow melts and is gone and the ground thaws and I can get my hands in the dirt. I'm so excited. So I just wanted to give you a little update on our plants. Right now they are buried in snow, and that is perfectly fine. The snow will get down inside, keep the soil wet, and water the seeds. And right now they're just hibernating, and by Sunday I think it's supposed to be in the 60s. So hopefully it'll continue 60s, 50s, and things will start to wake up soon. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more to follow us on this winter sowing journey. And as always, Suki Suki. Love the earth, love yourself, love each other. Till next time. It's freezing out here. I should have wore a coat.